Hello everyone, I am Sridharan, Assistant Professor from the SNS College of Physiotherapy. So this video is based on the topic which is called as the physiology of aging. So generally we're going to see about what are the objectives of the aging. So in this video we're going to discuss about the characteristics of aging and also going to review the theories of the aging and explore the effects of aging on the different organ systems. The characteristics of aging are the mortality increases the exponentially and the biochemical composition of the tissue changes, and as well as also the characteristics of the aging is the physiological capacity decreases. Ability to maintain the homeostasis diminishes, and it also shows the susceptibility and the vulnerability to the disease that increases. So it generally shows the characteristics of environmental and the genetic factors influence the rate of aging, and also the loss of physiological reserve and the decreased homeostatic control may result from the allostatic load, which shows the persistent activation of the normal neuroendocrine, immune, and the autonomic responses to the stress. The development of the homeostasis alter the response to the physiological stresses. It also generally shows the changes which are generally irreversible in the characteristics of the aging. The theories of aging are mainly shows the oxidative stress. So the synapse of these oxidative stresses, oxygen converted during the metabolism causes the protein, lipid, and the DNA damage over the time. In support of the theories of aging, the mutations in the oxidative stress pathway can extend the lifespan, and also the mutations in the other pathways that increase the longevity resistance and the oxidative damage. In opposition, the antioxidants do not delay the human senescence or the disease. Theories of aging also shows the chromosomal alterations. The age-acquired chromosomal instabilities contribute to the genetic silencing or the expression of the disease related to the genes. In support, may damaged by free radicals cause the mitochondrial DNA mutations in the muscle and as well as also in the brain. The defective mitochondrial respiration and the further oxidant injury creates the cycle of damage. The mitochondrial mutations and the defective in respiration have been linked to the neurodegeneration. In opposition, the practical impact on the non-diseased aging appears to be the normal. Now we're going to see about the theories of aging related to the immunologic. The synapse time required the deficits primarily in the T cell immune function increase the susceptibility to the infections and the cancer. In support, some diseases are the associated with aging. The immunological function is apparently not directly related to the healthy aging. So these are the characters mainly shows the immunological changes that happen during the and the prolongation of the aging. The theories of aging due to that neuroendocrinological, the the synapse, hypothalamic and the pituitary responses are altered. So the hormones which can alter these neuroendocrinological are ERH, GnRH, GHRH, TSH, LH, FSH, and GH, and ACTH. So these are the organs which are being mainly secreted by the hypothalamic gland and as well as also the pituitary glands. In support, no direct support as the causative of the healthy aging. Supplementation does not alter the aging in the humans. The theories of aging genetic. Since a result from activation or the suppression of the specific aging genes. In support, the longevity appears to be heritable and as well as although there is some genetic disorders leading to the accelerated aging. In opposition, the evolutionary pressures appear to be the select for reproductive fitness further than the resonance. The little direct evidence of the genetic programming of the resonance in the human being. Finally, we're going to see about the cellular changes that happen during the theories of aging. The loss of proliferative potential, example, slower on the onset of the lymphocyte proliferation, diminished cloning efficiency of the individual T cells, and as well as also shows the fewer population doublings of the fibroblasts. The proliferative potential does not the invariably diminish the age, but also it changes in the gene expression and as well as also the signal transduction, and as well as it also shows the various changes in the telomeric length contribute to the cellular changes. And it also finally leads to the cell death. The age-dependent problems with the apoptosis, where apoptosis is nothing but the cell suicide or also called as the cell death, which could be result in the leukemias, lymphomas, and as well as also the abnormal tissue repair. Apoptosis may play a role in age-related neurodegeneration. Example, the neuronal loss in the Alzheimer's disease may be due to the cytotoxicity of the beta amyloid, which can induce the apoptosis in the cultured cells. Putative toxins such as the free radicals have been implicated in the neuronal loss in the Parkinson's disease. So these are the complete theories of the aging. So we're gonna see you on the next video with this some other topic. Thank you.